Hello everyone. I hope you all are keeping good health. Today we will continue with chapter number 9. In the last class, I explained to you how to represent the data in tabular form and pictograph. But representing data by pictograph is not only time consuming but at times difficult too. So, the next method that we can use to represent data is bar graph or bar diagrams. Bars of uniform width can be drawn horizontally or vertically with equal spacing between them, and the length of each bar represents the given number. Let's see how. Moving to your exercise 9.3. In exercise 9.3, we will interpret bar graphs. And in the next exercise, we will draw. So, in the very first question, the bar graph given shows the amount of wheat purchased by government during the year 1998 to 2002. Read the bar graph and write down your observation in which year was. So first see the graph. This vertical line is a y-axis labeled as wheat in thousand. This horizontal is x-axis, which is showing you the year 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002. The topmost line is a scale which shows you what gap you are maintaining while plotting the graph. Each bar length is showing you the data value. You can keep your scale to find out the correct value, as the first bar is showing you 15, but it's in thousand, so it's 15,000. The next is showing you 25. Similarly, next one 20, again 20, and the last one is 30. So here we are supposed to find in which year was the wheat production maximum. See the bar which is having maximum length. So yes, it's 2002. So we will write the wheat production was maximum in 2002. Now you have to find in which year was the wheat production minimum. Yes, we will focus on the year which has the length of bar minimum, that is the least length of bar is in 1998. So your statement will be the wheat production was minimum in 1998. Moving to question number 2. Now here the plotting is horizontally. This is a horizontal bar. So don't get confused again. Here we are getting the horizontal bars in place of vertical bars. Now move to question. Observe this bar graph which is showing the sale of shirts in a ready-made shop from Monday to Saturday. Now answer the following questions. What information does the above bar graph give? So this is very clear from the very first line of the question. So we can say that this bar graph shows the number of shirts sold from Monday to Saturday. Next is, what is the scale chosen on the horizontal line representing number of shirts? See in the bar graph the scale is at the top. It's given as 1 unit length is equals to 5 shirt. So we can write the scale is 1 unit is equals to 5 shirt. Next, on which day were the maximum number of shirts sold? Then you have to find how many shirts were sold on that day. First, you will see which bar is having maximum length. So it's Saturday. And then you have to find the value too. We can use a scale. It's on 60. So the maximum number of shirts sold on Saturday were 60. Next, On which day were the minimum number of shirts sold? Minimum length bar is on Tuesday. So the minimum number of shirts sold on Tuesday. Next, how many shirts were sold on Thursday? Particularly, we have to focus on Thursday here. So what you will do is you will keep your scale the top Thursday and check the value. It's coming 35. So your answer is 35 shirts were sold on Thursday. Moving to question number 3. Observe this bar graph which shows the marks obtained by Aziz in half-yearly examination in different subjects. So first question is, what information does the bar graph give? This is given to you in the question, the very first line. This bar graph shows the marks obtained by Aziz in different subjects. Name the subject in which Aziz scored maximum marks. See the bar with maximum length, it's Hindi. So Aziz scored maximum marks in Hindi. Name the subject in which he has scored minimum marks. So minimum length bar is of social studies. So we can write Aziz scored minimum marks in social studies. Next is state the names of the subject and marks obtained in each of them. So we have to name all the subject along with their marks. Starting from Hindi, use a scale, it's coming 80. We can write Hindi as 80. Similarly, then English, use your scale, it's 60. Yes. Next, it's mathematics, then science, and similarly is social studies. We can use the scale to find out the values. Now the next exercise 9.4 deals with drawing a bar graphs. Table will be given to us and on the basis of the table we will plot the graph. Look into your book. Question number 1. A survey of 120 school students were done to find which activity they prefer to do in their free time. Table has 2 columns. First one is preferred activity and the second is number of student. Now what we will do first is we will open a bar graph. Now here in this graph, first you will draw horizontal line and then the vertical line. So first we will draw our x-axis. Now we will draw a y-axis. Now we will do the marking. In the y-axis, on each dark line, you will make a dash like this. Now, in the question, it's given to you after the table. Draw a bar graph to illustrate the above data, taking a scale of 1 unit length equals to 5 students. It means we are supposed to take a jump of 5 each time, starting from 0. The two axes are meeting each other at 0. The first blank will be 5. Each time we are supposed to take a jump of 5. Then 10, 15, 20 and same way till 50. As the maximum value you can see here is 45. So we will cross it and we will move to 50 now. Now the very first bar length is of 45. But before plotting we are supposed to label this axis. The y-axis is showing you number of students. And when you will plot the bars, this x-axis will show you the activity. Now the first bar is of 45. So what you will do is you will choose the dark to dark line and As it's given, the scale is of 5 students. So we will draw a bar till 45. See, you can see this is a y-axis. After one box, I am plotting the bar. So after each one box, you have to plot the bar. The gap should be same. After leaving one box, next you will plot a bar or of height 30. So next you will plot till 30 and you will write the name that this particular is for reading story. The next one is of 20. Again leave one box and plot till 20 and inside it we are writing the label. Next is of 10. Till 10 we will plot and the next it is music and the next one till 15 and this is of painting. See, each bar is having the same gap. Each one is having one box between them. The height will tell you the value. You can see the top here it's still 45, here it's still 30, here it's still 20, here it's still 10, next one it's still 15. So like this we are supposed to plot. Yes. Now we are supposed to find which activity is preferred by most of the students other than playing. So other than this playing section, which is coming highest now. So yes, next one is reading stories. So your answer will be reading storybook are preferred by most of the students other than playing. Moving to question number 2. Again a table is given to you. The number of mathematics books sold by a shopkeeper on 6 consecutive days. As per the table, we will plot again a graph. First, we will draw a horizontal line, vertical line, mark, dash on each dark line. Now, as you can see here, it's given, draw a bar graph to represent the above information, choosing the scale of your choice. So the numbers given to you are 65, 40, 30, 50, 20, 70. So we will take a jump of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 till 80 I am going as the highest value is 70. So now you can do the labeling. These numbers are showing you number of books sold and the x-axis is showing you days and the scale we are choosing here is of 10 books. Now plotting the bars. First one is 65. Where you will get 65 now? Between 60 and 70. So after 60 you can count fifth line. Yes, and you can mark it till there. Label it as Sunday. The next one is 40. Make a bar till 40. It's Monday. See, between both the bars there is one box. Next, again after one box, plot a bar of 30 height. It's of Tuesday. Next, you will plot a bar of height 50. It is of Wednesday. Next, we will plot a bar of 20. Now it's of Thursday. I'm writing only Thursday here. Next, it's a bar of 70. And it's of Friday. I hope it's very clear to each one of you how to draw the bar graph. The line should be on the dark lines. Maintain the same gaps between each bars. Plot with a sharp pencil. Moving to question number 3. Again the table given to you shows the number of bicycles manufactured in a factory during the year 1998 to 2002. We have to draw the bar graph. Choose the scale on your own. So as per the table, see the values are 800, 600, 900, 1100, 1200. So this time after making x and y axis and making a dash, we will take a gap of 100 now. Maximum value is 1200, so I will move till 1300. Naming it, it's number of bicycle manufactured and this one is years. So the first one, it's 800. After leaving one box, we will plot a bar till 800. Don't forget to mention the scale on the top right corner. Here we are taking a gap of 100. Next year, it's 600. Mention the year name inside the bar. Next, it's 900. See, this one is very simple as you have to move till the dark line. And the next one is 1200. Now we are supposed to answer some questions. In which year were the maximum number of bicycles manufactured? So we can see the maximum length you can get into 2002. And in which year were the minimum number of bicycles manufactured? Minimum year, you can see the minimum length is in 1999. So we can write the answer as the maximum number of bicycles were manufactured in 2002 and the minimum number of bicycles were manufactured in 1999. Moving to the next table. Again, the number of persons in various age groups in a town is given in the following table. Here you can see it's 2 lakh, 1 lakh 60,000, 1 lakh 20,000, 1 lakh 20,000, 80 is given to you, but it's 80,000. Make it correct. Next, it's 40,000. So we have to draw the graph. Here the scale is given to you of 20,000. So first you will plot x-axis, then we will plot y-axis. Make a dash. We have to take a gap of 20,000 each time. So first is 20,000, then it will be 40,000, then 60,000, 80,000. Similarly, you will put the next values. Label them. This is number of persons and this one is showing you age group. Now the first is scale. Scale is of 20,000. Next is first group is of 2 lakh. Move till 2 lakh. Mention the age group. Next it's 1 lakh 60,000 till 1 lakh 60,000. Use your scale nicely. Next one is 1 lakh 20,000. Next one is again 1 lakh 20,000. Next is 80,000 and next one is 75 and above. Now we are supposed to find which two age group have same population. So by the graph you can see, or by the table also we can check, it's 30-44 and 45-59. These two groups are having same value. Again, all persons in the age group of 60 and above are called senior citizen. How many senior citizens are there in the town? So we have to take last two columns. Crossing 60, there are two columns. One is having 80,000 as the value and second one is having 40,000 as the value. So you will add the two. Adding the two, you will get 1,20,000 as your final answer. I hope it's clear to each one of you what you are supposed to do while drawing the bar graphs or while interpreting the bar graphs. See, scale is a must. Yes? Okay. That's all for today. Thank you everyone. God bless you all.